Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products so you don't end up buying something as useful as a chocolate teapot. Today, we have a drone battle in the sky. The TENSSENX GPS drone versus the ATTOP drone. Let's see which one flies high and which one crashes and burns. On the left, we have the fancy pants TENSSENX, and on the right, the budget-friendly ATTOP. Ready, set, let's drone on. First up, let's talk cameras. The TENSSENX flexes its 4K ultra-clear camera like it's the James Cameron of drones. With a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability, it's like having your own personal aerial Spielberg. Reviewers rave about the high-quality footage and clear photos, making it a hit for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the ATTOP brings a 2K camera to the party. Sure, it's like comparing a blockbuster to a home video. But hey, not everyone needs to film the next avatar from the sky, right? Some users found it functional for basic needs, though a few reported issues with app functionality. Now let's get into GPS and auto-return features. The TENSSENX takes the cake with its smart GPS-assisted feature. It's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. It automatically returns home when it loses signal, is out of range, or has a low battery. Talk about a smart drone! Many users appreciate this feature, although a few had issues with its reliability. The ATTOP, while not as sophisticated, still has one key return. It's like the drone saying, "Okay, I'm done playing, bring me back." However, some reviewers reported issues with directional control and the app being unresponsive, which could be a drawback for some. Flight time, folks. The TENSSENX boasts a whopping 46 minutes with its two modular batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while your drone does all the work. Reviewers love the extended flight time, although some wish it performed better in windy conditions. ATTOP, bless its heart, gives you a solid 20 minutes. It's like the difference between running a marathon and a quick jog to the fridge. But hey, 20 minutes is still plenty to spy on your neighbor's barbecue. Users generally find the flight time adequate, but recommend purchasing extra batteries. Ease of use is next. TENSSENX comes with headless mode, one key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, perfect for beginners. Most reviewers find it easy to control, although some mention a learning curve with advanced features. ATTOP, on the other hand, also offers one-button takeoff, landing, and altitude hold. Plus, it has a 360 degrees flip feature. It's like the drone saying, "Look, Mom, no hands." And let's be real, who doesn't love a good flip? Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly design, but note that it can be challenging to control in windy conditions. Finally, let's talk portability. The TENSSENX is the ultimate travel buddy with its foldable design and carrying case. It's like having a drone that packs itself. Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no need to register with the FAA. Reviewers love how easy it is to carry around and store. ATTOP also folds up nicely and comes with a carrying case. It's like the drone equivalent of a compact car, small but mighty. And perfect for those teen boys and girls who want to show off at the park. Users appreciate its portability, but note that its lightweight design makes it less ideal for windy conditions. Overall, reviewers find the TENSSENX GPS drone to be a high-quality option with great camera quality, long flight time, and smart features, although some have encountered issues with wind and the return home function. The ATTOP drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and portability, making it a fun choice for beginners and children. though it has limitations in battery life and windy conditions. So there you have it, folks. The TENSSENX, with its high-end features and long flight time, is perfect for those who want to go all out. Meanwhile, the ATTOP is a great budget-friendly option with plenty of fun features. Whether you're looking to create cinematic masterpieces or just have some fun, there's a drone for you. Remember, it's not about the size of the drone in the flight, but the size of the flight in the drone. Thanks for watching, smart buyers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments which drone you think wins the battle. Until next time, keep flying smart. Product links are in the description.